My journey with email marketing. My journey with digital marketing actually started really in November 2021 as with being the Change LLC, my mortgage brokerage, being a mortgage broker here in Detroit, Michigan, leaving Quicken Loans, now Rocket Mortgage, in June 2021 as well, starting my mortgage brokerage being the Change LLC. So in leaving in June of 2021, hiring my team in August of 2021, my business partner, Enika Gaines, literally entrusting in me the opportunity of having our mortgage brokerage. We were excited. We were new. We were ready to get going. And then life happened, right? So coming from a background of knocking on doors with life insurance and not being afraid to get on the phone and go in front of someone's face of establishing the Chris Bosh Foundation, being the Change LLC should have been a no-brainer. But COVID happened, right? COVID, didn't know the impacts of COVID. And just literally moving like everything was the same, but it wasn't. But it was a blessing for Rico Demand in November of 2021. Mo used to call me every week with Rico Demand, sitting down via Zoom as well as he was in Canada, giving me one-on-one tips with digital marketing strategies as a mortgage brokerage to grow my brand, to be able to take advantage of how to reach more leads and generate more traffic for my team that we set up in November 2021. And I remember doing so many different things as I had to wear so many hats as I did not appreciate all of what Quicken Loans, now Rocket Mortgage, provided for their senior loan originators and mortgage bankers as lead generation, marketing, customer service. That's all on you. And not having to do all the different things and think just hiring a team, you should be good. But it doesn't work like that. And so having that webinar in November and generating 150 people at one time was amazing and it was intriguing. And at that time, it was definitely opened my eyes to all of the opportunities that the online space could provide for a mortgage broker. So if you are actually looking for lead generation strategies and trying to grow your brand with artificial intelligence, leveraging the tools and growth of an opportunity of leveraging this billionaire mindset, as nothing can change what the opportunity and the growth has been. And this email marketing strategies and artificial intelligence marketing strategies and affiliate marketing strategies, high ticket affiliate marketing strategies, knowing your worth and your brand. So as you grow in this space, partner with the best. Can SEO change digital marketing? Co-founder Adrian Mays. I'm here to take care of you. The money is in the research. Money is a tool, but how you brand your billionaire brand,